settings moving.
I get why you say don't describe how it works.
Oh no, where are my frames?
Nobody needs to know. Nobody needs to know the details.
Medium or better avatar, please.
I don't know. So, hi. In general, don't use mod clients. No one use mod clients, please. Don't use mods in VRChat. You will be banned. That's what I'm saying. I'm just saying it's public service announcement. Many people don't know. They're like, oh, what if this was like more favorites?
Oh, everybody, quiet, please. We're about to start the event here. 3 minutes late. Oh, wait, does it work? Is it working again?
It seems to.
Awesome. Yeah, VRChat fixed it. So yes, everybody, like, well, I guess you no longer have to go that far, but yeah, gather on the chairs. We're about to start here. Let me get rid of this message and stop just showing it to your face. But yeah, welcome to the community meetup. What am I looking for? This is an event for the community by the community, not affiliated with VRChat, for us world builders to show off worlds that we are creating in progress. Thank you for joining. So yeah, what this event is, as I said, is world builders showing things in progress. When I'm done giving the speech, people will come up to like the stage here and I'll write down their names and they'll show off those worlds. And if you plan on showing a world, please make sure that you set the instance up to 40 because that's the max. And just checking this instance, we are already past 40, so we kind of need that. Other things, when it's time to drop your portal, invite plus or friends plus, either plus option. And I'm just reading what's in front of me here. Please do not have worlds, or make sure the worlds that, follow the VRChat terms of service. If it has copyrighted music, just let me know. I am streaming, but you are allowed to show that. I'll just have to mute my audio. If you have a larger world, I think we're going based off 200 megabytes, tell us this and we'll put that towards the ends of the list so that people with slower internet connection can actually, go through the world top and not be stuck loading the entire time as a person who's just loading behind me. Yes. So with this event, I don't see facts. It's kind of obvious that Squid's not here because I'm the one speaking, but point at me with your quick menu and then say show avatar. I have the little shader messages, which you saw in the beginning here, which I don't see the one that I'm looking for, so I have to do this on the new one. There we go, shader message. Yes, if you don't see this, please point at me and show my avatar. You're welcome. Yeah. Let's see. What else? Oh, with this event specifically, though, we have a medium or better. So please make sure that you actually have a medium or better avatar. If you see somebody who's not in a green or orange avatar, let's go up to them and just kindly ask them to change. That way, with this so many people here, it's just like we need the most performance we can get. Some of these worlds are in development and, may not be fully optimized. But, that's up to the person. I believe that is everything. Oh, the event itself will run until, I guess, 3 hours from now. So we will cut off the list if there are too many worlds, but I don't know how many there will be. So I'm just going to say, if you have a world, could you come up here and show it? And I'll write your name down. Okay. I don't have an assistant here.
You need to update, Frank.
Can I go first, bro?
It's only at 20.
Oh, I realized this. Do you want to go first? Okay, I can write you down. Oh, yeah, if anybody has a time constraint, let me know, and I'll put that in, too. I will post this in the Community Meetup Discord so that everybody can see who is in the list. I just got to, write everything down here.
Cyan, can you put me last?
Yes.
Thank you.
I got a word for 207 megabytes time.
Was it 207 or 270?
No, 7.
Okay. I'll put you just before Dinky then.
Megabytes. Okay.
Why is my phone not letting me type correctly? Because, no one has an actual word for a name.
Dinky's a word.
But it's underscore. I haven't gotten to it yet. I'm still just going in order. What was that?
met the original Dinky. I wonder if that guy still plays.
Oh, Varnian has one. So we have like 3 people now who want this to the end. So it's like, or no, wait, you don't want. Yeah, okay. You didn't say you wanted to be at the end, but yeah, I'll just move that up a little. By the way, your mic is really quiet, Varnian. You wanna? I don't know if you can have that control. Thanks, autocorrect. Whoa, Dan keeps on going to become like a woman. He's like, no, no. Okay, so writing down the list here, we have Vance, Mr. Ivanich, Toby. I'm inserting my name in that list. Wodan, Varnian, and Dinky. Did I miss anybody? All right. What was that? Okay. Posting that in the meetup. Do you have anything you want to say, Vance, before dropping your portal? How do my controls get in the wrong hands?
Is it cool if everybody stays with me and that way I have like
Here, I'll just open up the center so that you can speak to people. It's like if you want to give a tour, you can.
Alright, for sure. Okay, yeah, okay.
I probably should have. Here, you guys can go down now.
I just walk in the middle. Oh, okay.
Yep. Let me just put the quiet, please. All right, everybody, quiet down. Listen to Vance, who will be showing the first world here.
What's up, everybody, man? I'm gonna explain it. So for my world, I was hoping everybody could stick with me. That way, I can explain it one piece at a time. That's about it.
Yeah. Okay.
And, yeah.
Be sure to drop a portal outside of the center area.
Okay.
All right, portal's going over here.
Sirix and Malik there, can you guys see if you can find a medium or better avatar?
Public or what you need from me?
Friends plus or invite plus, so either of the plus options.
And Friends Plus, you said?
Yes.
Okay, there you go.
All right, portal.
There we go.
Time for a tour. Oh boy.
How many people do we have?
I feel like I can't decide if we have more than usual.
It looks like a lot because we're already at 50 and there's still a lot of people in here.
Definitely more. 10 more people here, so we
I'm
are
right here.
We have 24 people, so doing math, what is that, 73?
I'll wait.
That's not concerning by any regard.
No, I did that backwards. I think it was.
doing math.
I think I did that wrong.
Wait
It was 63.
Can't wait until the future where meetups are just gonna be like 100 odd people, like in cutthroat, like trying to join in first so they get in.
Okay. If you guys see the portal, please go in.
What? I
do not see the portal.
Oh no, I'm
I
sorry.
believe,
Maybe you'll join off me.
and I'm the firm belief.
Do I have like the stream going right now? Oh, I can't accept friend requests on in this. Hold on. Okay. Nobody's loaded, so I'm trying to find out where your name tag is.
Over here, over here.
Where it's over here if you're just in blue.
If you can hear me spatially.
Okay, there you-
hello,
Dude.
hello.
Yes.
There you go.
Everybody's just blue for me, so it's kind of like hard to see, distinguishing it. Now he's loaded for me. Were you always that tall?
Yeah, I'm like a little bit too.
I guess whenever you're ready, I can put up the quiet please again. But like,
Whenever you're ready, I'm good.
I think people are still loading in, so let's give them like another minute.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. I mean, like people love waiting at spawn because they didn't see the portal. I guess it's not their fault. Oops. Yeah, I think it was like 63 if I actually did my math correctly.
63 people here today. That's what's up.
Yeah.
No, didn't you say 7th or something?
I did it wrong the first time.
Oh, well, I left the world after that, so I don't know what you said after.
Off by 1.
Why can't you just speak through dimensions?
Well, you know what?
Alright, I'm ready now, Cyan.
All right, you want to go ahead?
Alright, guys. So this is my world. It's in development still, but I'm ready to show it off for the most part. When I started making, I was like, this is probably my second world, and I was thinking, how can I up what I did last time? So I decided, well, let me try and take my interests. The first time it was more like experimental, get these figures. This time I was trying to make a place for my friends to hang out. Something that I like for myself. So this is the area we load in. I like it right here, nice and chill. There is copyrighted music further in, so you might want to have to mute that. It's in the far back. I'll let you know before you go in there. And that's about it for here. This is kind of just like the lobby, you know. This is kind of like the lobby, and then I'll go in now.
Hey Ben,
Huh?
I got a question.
What's going on with you, bro?
Can I drive your sweet body?
Hey man, hey man.
All right, everybody through the door.
Sweet body.
Until she told me that this one was the one that.
Fresh out the place.
Okay.
It's nice. It's nice. Yup, it is an Audi. It is real.
Kidding about the Audi.
It's real, everybody. It is real.
A real audience. I can't believe you downloaded a car, man.
Thank you, man. It's a real nice Audi. It drives real smooth. Good mileage.
Oh, we're just moving on to the next room here.
Covered in rain, but neither the exterior or interior are raining.
Oh.
And then this is like my little area, you know what I'm saying, for when we do hang out, you know what I'm saying. I'll tell jokes like, you know, I got these shoes from a drug dealer, right? And I swear to y'all, I ain't got no idea what he laced them with, but I keep tripping, you know what All right. So this is the main area, you know what I'm saying, for the chilling, for the grouping, you know.
I don't get the
nice
joke.
couches, got the nice pants.
Yeah.
We can go over here now.
Okay.
We're going through Pro Builder.
No.
Are you in Detroit?
I am
Are you from
indeed.
Detroit?
I am indeed. I am indeed.
Hey, Cyan, do you know the guy over there in the corner?
Which guy?
I did actually. I don't know. Virginia, but you know the essay. Wait.
Do you know him, Cyan?
You know the
It's really
essay
important. If you don't know him, you can just leave.
and it pissed a lot of
All right,
people
bye.
off.
Oh.
I wrote it.
Have you never played GTA essay?
Hey, what the fuck?
I never. No, I did play them, but just like I didn't get them long enough to like actually get a story.
Oh, okay.
Oh, what's he doing?
Yeah, well, Cyan, I was the kind of kid that didn't understand the story because I didn't understand English.
Oh, but you understand it now.
Yeah. So now it's just weird playing through it because, oh, there's a story.
New avatar. It's stunning. Stunning.
Oh.
But it also makes more sense now.
You want a 1v1?
I'm gonna fail. I got index.
How you doing?
That's okay, man. You just gotta
Good to see you.
you know what I'm saying? Through the legs, behind the back.
Are you a basketball fan?
Something about traditional white guy.
Have you ever played basketball?
Yes.
Come on, man.
Yeah, okay. We'll do it. I'm only 5'3", so it was never something I even...
How do you play this in VR though? Because it's like.
That's okay. Hey, man. All right, you gotta cross me up. Come on, man. You gotta cross me up, man.
Got him up, right? Got him up. There you go.
Still fail. We got full body. We can do this.
All right. All right, my turn.
I'm gonna
My
fail.
turn. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, my turn. Uh-oh.
I can't even grab it. It doesn't bounce. I'm too laggy. I can't bounce it because it's too laggy. Oh, we got a score. We got a basket. No. Wait, is it? I thought it was the ball. Who's got the particle then? Oh, boom.
Good game.
Good game. You're too good for me.
It was a good game. We fought hard. We fought hard. We fought hard. We cheated the most. You know, it was a battle. It was a battle to the end. You know? All right. That's about it, man. I don't know what else to talk about now.
I guess we can give people like a few more minutes and then we can move on. But yeah, thank you for showing this.
I appreciate you, big dog. You know?
They
Proud,
can
man.
play their own pickup game. We're gonna have a 30-on-30 scrimmage now.
Okay, sounds good for me.
Hmm?
Stop floating.
Is it SDK2? Yeah. Stutter stepping.
So I was noticing, so if you put physics on the ball,
Wait,
it
Cyan,
will
you can
stop
actually
working
open your
at some
friends
point. So
list
put
and
the
words
physics
menu
on
now
the
without
floor
lagging in the meetup because of the
to
new
make the floor
update.
bouncy.
Yeah. After hearing after hearing Rubik
Wait,
basically like
science.
say in
Is
QA.
that true?
Yes,
Is
you
that
make
true
the
that you need to put
environment.
physics on the floor.
Yeah.
But that means you need to put a rigid body on it, though,
No.
don't you?
It's on the collider.
No? It's on the collider. Okay, yeah.
So you have-
if you put the bounce on the floor, then you won't get lost on the ball. If it's on the ball for some reason, there's like a thing where it will stop bouncing after a while.
Supposedly, it's if you grab the object from your own hand, it loses its physics ability or something. So it's just a VRChat bug.
Well, and that's what you're doing in basketball, right? So yeah, that's what's gonna happen. So yeah, if you put it on the floor, then it won't stop bouncing.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you. All right.
Learn something new every day. Appreciate it.
Learn something new every day, man. That's what this was all about.
Hey,
You
just
know
like
what I'm
Albert Einstein, bro. He like high heating her, and you because MC squared, you know?
What is this rat talking about? What is the rat talking about?
Mimi's beer pong.
Talking, man. I don't know what he's talking about.
Yeah.
I don't know what the rat's talking about, bro. I'm gonna be honest.
No, did no one get my joke or like? Did no one? No. Okay.
I'm gonna sit down now.
No.
I deliver. I can sit down.
Don't worry, Zach.
All right.
I'll
It's
keep
alright,
it
man.
in the back of my head for you.
Oh, he just sat on it.
Don't worry.
We're on the stage outside.
Oh, you're right.
But Cyan, did you not read the changelog for the latest VRChat update?
No, I did read it. I mean, I talked to Rubik where he was like complaining about it.
Wait, why did you not know that the voice override was fixed then? It sounded like you did not know.
No, I did now. I was just testing it because we hadn't had a meetup since.
Oh.
Let's put it this way. There are a couple times when the update says something and then, I can't trust it. What is going on? Oh, that's your hand.
Yeah, I'm just agreeing with you, you know.
Yeah.
Talking about.
Yeah, sometimes, things happen when you don't trust the thing.
My friend list.
Yeah,
Like, as soon as you open the friend list without seeing my hands, like...
It was apparently abysmal on Quest. So, some people would crash.
Yeah.
Crashing in VRChat? I doubt that, this game's built.
Yeah, this game's amazing. 90 FPS with 70 people. Not actually.
Dude, I'm at 30 FPS.
20 frames.
Amazing. I'm actually at 27. No, this way it goes up. I'm at 30. Or
Here's the thing. You have everyone shown, because...
Hey, Cyan, you just gotta look that way to drop your frames.
I lost 3 frames. Thank you.
Amount of people.
Yeah, no problem.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Go find them.
Go find my frames.
Imagine if there was a world where, depending on how many frames a second you had, that decided how many frames to the outside there was in the building.
How many frames there were outside? Wait, what? I don't know what I just heard.
Yeah, how many window frames exist
Oh,
in the world?
based off their pun.
Okay. I kind of want to make that now.
Okay, you should partner with Igbar and make the what is it, lag ain't free world. I don't like. He had a story about that where you had to like buy things to purposely drop your frames and be like, you gotta buy frames. No, you can't because you're supposed to lose them.
Really horrible concept.
But it's VRChat. It is a very VRChat world.
Horrible concept that just might work.
Yep.
Wait, no, there's actually two ways to do it really good, because frames, so it has to be something with frames. So either window frames or painting frames.
You just have way too many things enabled in the world and you've got to do side quests.
I think it might be a good time to move on though, because we're all just kind of like sitting around. I'm gonna go ahead and put the button. Did it? Oh, I did the right one. Awesome. Interesting. Well, I mean, this is just to get the other people if they like didn't stay in the room. But we'll see.
I don't want to respawn.
That sounds like a you problem.
I can walk. I'm gonna walk out the door and walk back to spawn just because I
Good
can.
luck. Okay, I need to check who actually is next on the list. I think it was Ivan. Is Ivan around?
I'm here now. I didn't respawn.
Oh, there, Mr. Ivan. I think you are. Yeah, you're next. Do you have anything you want to say before your world? Monkey! Wait, no. Oh. I'm sorry, what was that? I'll just go ahead and take this off, and when you're ready, I'll put the quiet, please.
Okay.
You ready now?
Yeah.
Okay, let me... just have to look around. Alright, everybody, can we quiet down, please, and listen to Ivan over here, please? Everybody quiet down and listen to Ivan in the center. Oh, can everybody quiet down, please, and listen to Ivan in the center?
I can whistle like 10 times louder than that, but it won't translate. Alright, let's go.
Oop. Whenever you're ready, you can begin.
Okay, hello, my name is Ivanovich. I made a map called Spanish Garden. I don't know if you have seen it. It's a one with white background and a lot of Latin American flags. It's a map made for the Spanish community. So a lot of people that are Spanish speaking go to the map and talk and meet, and anyone that is interested in learning Spanish can go too. That map has been up for like 2-3 months, kind of, and I'm doing a Halloween update to that map. So that's where we are going to see the Halloween update of that map. And for anyone that knows the map, will see the differences. And I want to show the things that I added. I added interactives, hats from the tutorial that CyanLaser did. What else I added? I added 2 secret avatars, and well, it's a hangout space for this for Halloween basically. There's no copyrighted music, it's only effects on the background. And if in the left side you will see some buttons. If you want to have even better performance, you can turn off particles, turn off on other things. And lastly, the map is still in progress, so it may have some glitches because I haven't finished it yet. So that's it.
Okay.
Okay, let me put the portal.
Nope, back away. Oh, where'd they? Oh.
There's no blue point to do
I think accidentally, you might have accidentally
Oh, you have to place it again.
I'm blind.
He just pressed respawn to see where spawn point was. Oh. Wait at least like a few seconds there before... Okay, looks like it's fine.
Someone went in it.
No, I was just saying, like, if it disappeared the first time. So I'm gonna have to look up what my CPU is, but I have just the standard 1080. Maybe I'll upgrade at some point, but I mean, I guess I can just look now while I'm waiting.
I'm doing that. I'm doing that. You're not stopping. You're not stopping me. You're not stopping me. The only thing stopping me, me being lazy.
And an i7-8700. So 8 series 700.
This is the thing. I guess I'm going.
Hello, Fire Dragon.
Go on then. Go in. Go in.
Oh. Time to go into the portal. Now I notice a giant ferret in the background.
Enter the Discord, and I think comparte probably means post your photos.
Oh, there's so many people here.
Find the hidden avatar, I believe.
He did say find it.
This is, we invite you to our Discord to become part of our community. I don't know what Kopiame means. I don't know what that means.
I have to find where they're at.
Oh, okay, that makes sense. That makes sense.
Problem here.
Can you hear me? Can you still hear
Too
me?
many sinks. The
Is my voice gone?
Oh, there you are. Did you want to give a tour of the world?
We are looking for talented people in the Hispanic community, Spanish-speaking community, to make maps, avatars, and create content.
Oh, I might be desynced. Or someone might be desynced.
You have the
I can hear you now. I just gotta stop moving.
Okay, there is some kind of desync problem in this world. I can already tell from seeing everything.
Yeah, that's what it looks like, because you guys kept trying going that way, and it's like, I'm not there.
I've seen multiple times with everyone freezing.
Okay, so tell me when I move from this spot, okay?
Wait, is it this pumpkin? Is this
Yeah.
an item?
Okay, I just moved. I don't know if you see me move.
You're not.
No, you didn't move at all.
That was really slow.
You moved.
Okay.
But you were speaking and saying
So
you moved.
it sounds like I might be less desynced, but people see me desynced. So I don't know if that's a thing on my side or...
This seems like an issue, not an issue me.
Okay, tell me when you see me walk.
Now?
Now.
You stopped moving.
Okay, that's delayed too. By a few seconds.
Okay. Yeah, if that's the case, I may have to respawn everybody just to, like, go back to, like, the hub.
Well, let's see. I mean, like, everyone's still moving. We may be a little delayed, but...
Well, if that's the case,
check
like...
out the map.
Yeah, we can just keep getting people to explore, but it's just kind of, like, expect some delay.
I could tell you were looking at me and you're very desynced. I didn't want to say anything.
Alright, so let's see what's over
You're being
here.
looked at ominously from delayed.
Attention span, but not enough for them to speak.
It's horrible.
Nice.
Transaction, and it actually adds up over time.
It's so broken.
Better?
Yeah.
I just
Roll the die. Then we move. Oh, not
Mhm.
me, it's Spanish.
Wait, are these all the, like, props?
I don't know if we should be touching.
Who needs
Wow,
an?
the dice move
What, I
faster,
can't tell
like-
if this is like an axe or like a butcher knife.
It looks like a giant...
It's like an
awkward
axe.
knife. Oh, this is gonna be the worst thing ever. Turning on... I don't know where the mirror is.
Avatars.
Oh god, the desync is real. Oh lord, oh lord, oh lord.
I'm just gonna leave it off.
Synchronization.
I'm
Sync?
dying.
You're dying? Wow.
Oh, you have a knife in your hand, you idiot.
Oh no.
That's not funny. I have a bad computer.
Oh, he just popped your head.
Blue, don't be silly. I have an even faster processor now, and yet I still can't get many frames out of this world.
Well,
Oh no.
it must be your fault, Dog Bad.
Yeah, probably.
It's because you're loading like so many textures, like they're all draw calls. So because avatars are draw calls. What are you gonna do?
Chasing
Right?
him with
So
a knife
you
and
can't
stabbing
fix
him
that.
repeatedly.
they're all skin mesh renderers. The only thing you do is put in really good occlusion culling, and then call all your avatars.
Just steal the knife. It's so delayed.
Did I steal his mustache?
No, I'm still wearing my mustache. You stole the skull.
Oh, so what we have over here. We have a couch, and what is this? Oh, it's a headstone.
I assume this is the video player area? No idea.
I know how to get up there.
Jump.
Nice cinematic 24
7 million vertexes. It won't affect you.
Yes. Well, I'm at like 20-ish. It's going lower as we speak.
In Latin, so like that's probably close. Close.
We are dethinking.
Well, now you have me curious. Goddamn.
Okay, I'm gonna respawn everybody to then go to the hub.
Are we going to the hub?
If it's like if we're desyncing here, the next world is going to desync. So it's like we should go to the hub, so it's better.
I cannot hear you now.
Cool, nice. I'm just gonna press this button.
Now I hear you.
Cool, nice. I didn't press that button.
There's such a delay in everything everyone's saying.
Everyone's
Now everyone's
Oh, that's
desynced.
the new one.
Alright, so I'm waiting until I can hear Cyan again. Come on.
Oh wait, how did I get up here?
Yeah, I'm starting to see it now. Somehow. Things be happening.
Well, time to ping in the Discord. I don't know if people actually see the message, so hopefully they do.
I see the message.
So everybody's desyncing. I don't know if where you see me, but like, you can't see each other. So
Is it because of that giant pumpkin?
I'm pretty sure people around me are not actually there. Oh wait, I see someone in front of me. Hi.
Hi, do you see me and hear me?
I see you.
I can now hear you, but it was like very delayed for you to get to me.
There's a lot of pickups in the world. Do you think it's that?
How many pickups do you
Collision
have?
transfer? Alright. There's all the...
I have the... It's because of the pickups of the hats? The hat ones?
It's probably the number of pickups. Do you know how many you have?
So the number...
I just did kind of a lot of. What's a good number to have to consider it?
It depends on if they're like kinematic versus physics. So each would give like a different number. So if like a lot of these look like they're kinematic, but like I'm not. Oh, you just disappeared there.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Misclick.
I'm not sure the exact number on that. I know like I have some worlds that are like, you know, in the hundreds, but like there may be other things going on like a collision transfer bug, so I'm not entirely sure. But yeah, if people see the whole like rejoin hub, I like we should probably move to the hub.
Well, if you go there, I will join on you.
That's a good idea.
Fine. Okay, I will see you guys there. Great, now I gotta get the password again. I'm not a robot.
Hey.
Oh, hi.
What happened, Cyan?
What happened? It depends on the world, but because of sync, we don't know what exactly. It causes like people to. Oh, the pumpkin was a physics object, so it could just be the collision transfer on the pumpkin.
There was a pumpkin that was just like vibrating because it was colliding with something.
Mm-hmm.
Oh god. Hey Cyan, I got a suggestion for your thing with it pops up on the screen. It overlaid my own invite icon.
You're cursed.
Yes.
Yeah.
I realized that when I got my own, and it was kind of like, oh, interesting.
Yeah, and also your.
There we go. I get some tracking. Where's my chair? There's my
So
chair.
I guess you're gonna change that in the next update of your avatar.
Probably not. I don't know.
Probably not.
I'll have to like mess with it more. But yeah, let's wait for some people to rejoin. Let me check who actually is next on the world. But can somebody go tell Ivan about the whole like turn off collision transfer on like the pumpkin?
Isn't the next one Toby?
Yep, Toby. It is Toby, who's over there.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Very round,
I need to change the player count on my
Are
world.
we gonna go to a meme world?
A what?
Wait, did you crash?
No.
No.
Oh, did he? Yeah, like generally, if you have like a desync, it like actually affects the next world too. I'm gonna go back for
it didn't affect mine, really.
I'm just gonna wait for people to rejoin because now we have to wait for the two to just crash in front of me.
It probably didn't affect me because of my fucking high-spec system. Even in single.
How convenient.
Yeah. How convenient.
I mean, I have
an 8700K CPU.
Oh, I just have the one below that.
Yeah,
I don't have the
same as
unlocked.
Yeah.
And apparently, same as someone on
the
chat.
reason I got
PMD2.
that one was because I wanted the higher. I haven't actually overclocked it, which is the.
See, that's the reason I didn't get the unlocked one because I wasn't going to overclock it. But I also have like
But
a
it's
small
still a
form
bit
factor, so I can't
stronger.
overclock it.
Oh yeah. Well, I have
The only
a fan
reason why I
that's
have-
like Cyan, if we say the CPU is like this size here around, right? My CPU cooler is around like this big.
This is where I comment where it's like, that is probably bigger than my PC case.
I know people call
Does it reminds me of that one
an engine block. It's so big.
I love how there was desync in that last world, but we just didn't care.
I mean, I noticed it was desyncing, and then everyone's kind of like, it's only like 2 seconds. We can like deal.
But do we have to restart it now?
It was a whole 30 seconds.
It was a robot of blue aces.
Like, I have so much heat sink
Change your
in my
avatar,
computer
Blue.
That I could probably turn off the fan for a lot of minutes before everything is
Well, you're
heated up.
What? He's in a good mode.
I see him as a funny man.
Oh.
I think you're pulling at my leg.
I'm good rated.
The only reason
No. I said you are a robot. For me, your avatar's wrong, which it might be my fault, so I might have to either reload.
because of memory.
Seems like a.
100 megahertz.
I can't say it this way because it doesn't
Support
work.
only 2666
No,
megahertz maximum.
you were showing up just fine.
No, for me, it wasn't showing up.
Memory speed.
Yeah, so it's my bad. But okay, we should probably start to move on. Does
Minus
anybody see
64,
Toby? I'll just go to the center. Legends! Okay, sorry about that, everybody. I think we've waited long enough for everyone to come back from that instance. Yeah, VRChat has a bug with collision transfer, which is what I assumed the issue was. So if you have pickups that are physics-based and synced, uncheck collision transfer until VRChat fixes this bug. So, yeah. And with that, the next person on the list is Toby. Did I pronounce that right? So,
yes.
Okay. Do you have anything you want to say before entering your world as I turn off this quiet, please?
No.
Oh, alrighty then. You can drop a portal.
you actually make it in?
Nope.
No, it's still there for me.
Oh, there. Wait. How many people still see the portal? Oh, okay.
It's gone. Let's do it again.
For the security, you actually made it in, I think.
Third time's a charm.
Okay. We have a portal. Give it a moment.
Daniel, touch the portal.
Touch it, Cyan.
Come on. Why am I not going in it?
You
Come
just
on.
gotta walk. Wait.
What is this? Hi, and thank you. Come on, it's been so long. Also, hello, Chum, being right next to me now.
How are you, Zion? I haven't talked to you in I think a few months. How you been?
Has it been a few months already? Wow.
Yeah, like 4 or 5 almost.
I don't know. Snakes are usually thin.
Good. How about you?
I am surviving. It's been
See
pretty
your
bad in my
garden?
area right now. Yes, my garden. Like I went to buy ammo yesterday, and a bullet of 9mm was going for $1 a bullet.
I don't know if that's cheap or expensive.
Damn. So it was $50 for a packet of 50 bullets. So it was insane. Yeah.
I've never been here, so hey, jump.
Also, I had to update my Steam VR so I crashed. So now I have gravity finally. Look.
I should probably mess with those settings. But yeah.
It feels weird because I could never get advanced VR settings to work with my Steam VR. Now it magically worked once for some reason.
But yeah.
Yes, I'm trying to.
We should probably move
trying
on
to
to the next
grow it.
world, so I guess I'll see you there then. Oh,
Okay, I will.
See ya.
see you. And while I wait, I actually have to go update my world.
Why is that guy getting hang out by balloons?
What am I looking at? What is this music? What? Why? At one point,
Yeah.
I was gonna say, like, at what point is this considered like against terms of service? Like,
Pretty sure at this point.
is it? Wait.
Okay, so like
Who's?
I know
Oh,
that,
yeah,
like,
strong bet. I guess you can actually answer that.
imagery is usually against TOS because of suicide content warnings, and so people usually get around it by like hanging by the feet instead. But the rest of it, you know, it's very cartoony.
You know, it's mentally draining, but it's not against the rules. You're on the fence.
Well, you know what? I don't get to say. So we have, you know, people here that can make the calls.
You know, I'm pretty sure last time I checked my milk, it wasn't doing that.
Amount of traumatic memories that have to occur for someone to take it upon themselves to make such an abomination. But alright.
Someone hacked that.
Cyan.
Hmm?
Or Fiona, or one of you. Can you connect?
So, I mean, we're streaming by the way, but
We're
yes.
streaming, so this is not private.
Oh, well, just, I don't know,
Just
just that.
DM it.
disturbing.
Well,
Yeah, we're mentioning that towards Strong Bad since he would know more if that's actually like within terms of service. So we would probably need like. Did somebody say that to Toby yet? So no, we've got one form of art, and then we have this form of art. The reaction to the art. I mean, was it last week that I was the one in the fetal position?
It's like a dialogue about dementia or depression or something. I don't know. I don't know what this is.
What are you doing, Legends? What face are you doing?
I'm the one screaming. It's a gold scream.
Oh, I don't have the scream or sound effects on. I just see like your
Oh, yeah.
ears
Doing
bobbing.
a goat scream. The chameleon mimic is gigantic.
Science?
It's not it's medium fucking.
Do we have room for one more world by any chance?
I believe we have time to add more. So right now we have like 2 hours left with 4 worlds. So yes, we're not gonna spend 30 minutes in each. So I can add you to the list.
No, I don't think so. Yeah, you can throw me way at the end. That's fine. It's a bit of a big world anyway.
Oh wait, Dinky, you said that you wanted to be at the end of the list. You still want to be like the end if Kala shows something?
The reason for that is my world is gonna, I don't know, usually it's really performant, but I didn't have time to optimize it, so I'm sort of expecting maybe issues. It might be fine, it might not, I don't know. Is it just because your world's big, Kala?
Do you want to take a little gamble? Easy.
It's kind of an issue with 3 people that were saying that they wanted to go last. So it's like,
Yeah.
Wait, what's the size of your world?
Well, mine's only 20. I'm just sort of expecting it to maybe crash some people. Hopefully not, but...
In that case, I won. I'm at the end. I'm way past 20.
Well, no, the issue isn't size for Dinky. It was like crashing, but like 3 other people already asked to also be at the end. So it's kind of like, if we're going from the size one, yours obviously wins there. But like request-wise, I'm just adding to the end of the list because that's how it goes. They got their do first, even though that's not what they wanted. But whatever. What was that?
How many people are there?
We have 4 more, I believe. Wait, I'm the next person on the list. Okay, nobody's doing anything here at this point. I did update. I just went to the website when I was loading in.
Okay.
Which, let me just check my menu and see.
What are we going to?
What are we going to? The world I just made public, so the one you already saw.
Oh. Hey, are you Frank? Oh no.
Am I Frank? Did we ever establish that? No, because it's not my avatar. I'm not a Frank.
Oh no, he didn't. No what? No.
Hey, Sam, I tried my hardest to try and kill the graveyard keeper.
Fine, I think that shit's crashed.
We might have had a Crash Legends. Oh no.
Look at the hands.
Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and respawn everybody.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I think we can leave.
He's gone.
Oh, this is just the spawn point.
And it's high up. Look how high up it is.
Stream earlier today. He's the one who kept seeing all the weird shit during the
Oop.
Oh, it went away.
There.
You can watch it back at the library. You can actually watch the Science YouTube channel.
Oh.
Okay, so I guess, there's no real need to respawn at this point, so I'll just go ahead and say quiet, please. Alright guys, everybody quiet, please. We're about to move on to the next world, which is actually my world. So... So, the next world we're going to is kind of like an old one, so like people who've been to this community meetup for years may recognize it, maybe not, I don't know. It is indeed Frank. So last night I made the world public. So actually the history of this world, like we were planning to make it public, I guess, March 2019. VRChat decided to do an update, break the world, rage quit for a month. But hey, 2018 update fixes the world, so hey, now I can release it. And so I did last night with like one last week push with Fiona. So the world's kind of random, but hey, go explore. There's a limited number of shovels, so people will have to share. So yeah, I'll just go ahead and drop a portal. Hold on. Wait, no, there it is, 40.
No, Cyan, you got it wrong. I just gotta steal other people's graves.
I've been in this world a lot.
And apparently, if multiple people click the grave at the same time, more body parts spawn.
I'm gonna be fine with that bug. Not worth fixing.
I'll see you later. I'll see you later, Cyan. I gotta go.
Thanks for joining.
It's actually a good bug when you're more people, to be fair.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't call it game breaking, just like suddenly, oh, there's 2 arms down here now, because we both clicked at the same time.
Yeah, it happens. I'm not gonna bother fixing it.
No, I won't call it bad.
Bro, you just finally solved.
Yeah, I know. It's not a bad thing, but it's just like there's other bugs that. Yeah, it's a cheat. But yeah, we're going to Frank. Yeah, not looking at the balloons does seem like the safest thing. Which is kind of when we moved down a little bit faster than I think we would. I don't know how long we're going to spend on this world. But hey, looking at the time, 2:03. I get debug menu.
And I'm out of shot.
Oh my gosh. People just everywhere at like right at start. Did it work? No, it didn't work. It's too laggy. What?
What didn't work?
I think I spelt it wrong still. No, still spelt it wrong.
Oh, avatars are loading quite slow right now.
There we go, I got that again.
Somebody always rings the bell.
Yeah, you can ring the bell.
Where art thou, shovel?
No, I told you have to share. I forgot how many shovels are actually in this, but like... Oh, that would be a good idea to make one of them local. Okay. No, they're not actually local. I think everything's desynced. I think the world might be desyncing. I should not have done this.
Shovels, probably.
Oh no, the shovels are not the reason it's desyncing. It's something completely unrelated to that. Whoever's master is probably dying.
Wait, isn't...
What's the name of the Undertaker here?
Nicholas?
Nicholas, are you okay?
Oh, but yeah, Cyan, you told me the password is random, so I can't even like...
Need a leg.
I mean, I could probably cheat it.
Puke in the fountain so I can get the
I
key.
had a suspicion that desync might be an issue.
I mean, I could just unlock all the fountains. Or unlock the monuments, as we're calling them. Oh, hi.
Wait.
Yes.
You're welcome.
It's like one of those secret fans that come up to you and
Yes.
I can do it too.
Well, I was doing this on stream with Adi.
Yes!
Oh,
yes!
Yes.
Is the avatar still working? Do you make your own parts and make avatars?
So the parts are individual. Sorry, the avatars are individual, but you can still combine them in the world itself to be like a thing.
Oh, it's working.
Yeah.
So I know you can combine with freaky people, but what I know you can like
Freaky
control
people?
them around, and I saw the thing with legends over there.
Thing with legends.
Like
If you
behind-
make them puke in the fountain starts being really colorful.
Wait, what?
Rainbows.
Rainbows.
It's a very nice description that I don't feel that I needed.
I mean, honestly, it's called like the action to do it is the loveliest Frank. I don't know if you get the reference though.
Oh yeah, that was the...
Frank.
I don't
There's
know,
also,
but the
what
name
was the
Frank
one
is
called
really
where he
funny.
gets like big arms? Oh, it was
Strongman?
called Gun something, right?
Oh no, I don't know.
Gun show.
Gun
Oh, is it Gun Show? Okay.
Yeah. And then he picks up the tree and...
Hey, you're spoilers.
So I don't see anything actually working.
I didn't say what tree.
So, Cyan, I have got keywords broken because none of the tree transparency is working for me.
Same.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
That's
So we something we went to broke our keywords. So that tree shader is completely borked.
Yep. I can definitely see it. Oh, hey, there's a part.
Yeah, also, I'm.
That's the only one I see.
This, but I don't see it.
Oh, I can't.
What?
Oh, for me, it's like already dug. Like I don't. Like it's already dug and opened.
Yeah, this one is already dug.
Nicholas came by and like failed to close it because of bugs. Because you know we've got like 70 people in here. Oops.
Yeah, the sync on Nicholas with this many people is really, really bad.
It's because of.
Just with 2 people, sometimes there's graves that he decides not to close at all.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, somebody clicked the button.
Yeah.
Is that too loud still? Because like I just hear people complain because I'm at 41% and I still hear it.
Is it too
That means all body parts are gonna be deleted now.
Mm.
Oh, aborted.
But I mean, I don't even see the body parts. I guess let's go see what's going on in there.
I did see somebody they put this many body parts up in there. Oh, someone made a prank.
They got it. They did it. They summoned him.
Wait, who is Master?
That's a great question.
So with this many people, it may take him a really long time to actually activate.
Oh,
Yeah, like I don't think it even worked because Master might have gotten booted.
He doesn't even have a
Who loaded first? Whoever loaded first, pick up an object. Pick this up if you loaded first.
See.
No, I think they like because it's the first one. Like they might literally have just got booted because too many people and how laggy it is.
I don't think I was first.
Oh, it could be. It might not work because of so many people in the lag. So Cyan has it, I think, set up so it won't actually go until the network events resolve. And this many people, it might never go.
Yeah.
We'll see.
If it never spawns because the Master quit, then we'll never get it.
Still very cool.
I love how cinematic it is.
Okay, Master is Mass Strong Bad Man. Mass Strong Bad Man.
What's his ID? Is it 2?
Yeah.
Can you pick here? Pick this up.
No, it didn't even spawn. It may not actually work because it didn't even spawn anything for me.
Just like pick up a pickup so that you make a network event.
No, I don't think he was the one who spawned it. Like I think the original Master might have just died.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm holding the remote for the Frankenstein guy that we put.
Oh. What kill? Wait, was like is it this one?
Yeah, I can make him do this.
Can you pick up an?
Yeah, he woke up from that bed.
Okay, so those just never spawn for
He's
us.
stuck on the table.
Yeah, like the event never sent.
And it has issues, right? Especially FTK2, it has issues.
Well, yes.
I just see something teleporting around the graveyard. That's it.
His has issues. Yours is a lot easier to set up.
Well,
I'm not sure what I think. Yes, and the weirdest part I found about this work is that you can change to all the body parts by clicking on them after you found them in those.
Yeah. Hey, I mean, this is an Avatar world. If you want to get an Avatar for Halloween.
I'm just gonna be an arm, you know.
I mean, that person's a leg right there. Okay, we should probably move away from the real-time light here, since it's not gonna stop.
That's one thing you might want, though. You may want to turn on. You may want to give an option so that, like, obviously it's optional and you don't recommend it for other people for their avatars, but you should make an option so that other people can see the camera. Like the back of the camera to see what actually you see.
Did you actually hear when I rang the bell?
So, Monkey, every jar in there is like all the different limbs that you can use to create the Frank, but they're also avatars. So if you dig them up, you can become that. Yeah. So like if you see a green jar, you can click it and become that as an avatar.
I always wanted head pads from a floating head.
Yeah, he can become body parts.
Pointing at a specific Unity bone call out, and so every time the bone passes through, that's how it does it.
Now we also got some arms here. I'll be an arm.
Oh, that's not the one I wanted, but.
Something for a game object that is always called like finger index or whatever.
I'm glad that I'm sure that I'm
Hey, I'm a piece of thickness, you know what I'm saying? Fred's torso.
So no, this is where it's like you make your own custom avatar.
Unity Charms.
Yeah, become one.
Yeah, this is Unity Chan's arm. But it's like, you know, one-handed clap. Dancing with one hand. I don't know if you remember, but we did this once. Like, there was a world, like, this world had already been started, but I think we just never finished it. But, like, there was a Nikkei version where somebody just chopped the limbs, and, like, we got everybody to be all the, like, different limbs, and we just went into the presentation room and chased people as, like, a separated Nikkei. And that's where I say, like, that's VRChat. Huh. I don't... Okay, I need to look into that then. Oh, I need to calibrate. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and say that because this is broken, we should probably move on. Who is next? Wodan.
Right, exactly. It's cool as well. Yeah, you can actually do them up.
If I mentioned the fact that I'm a horror, a fan, aficionado, actor, so there it is.
I'll respawn people after this that kills everything. Why didn't that one die?
I was holding a pelvis.
Wow, that didn't affect the zombie at all.
You fool.
I mean, I think that one's already broken, so like we can't do anything about it.
Yeah. Boom.
Oh no! Like, oh, this is the like kill all like things in the world. So it's like, yeah. But since that's happened, I'm just gonna go ahead and like respawn people for the next map. I'm just gonna stand here on this one. Or I guess let's all go to the fire since that's where everybody's going.
I wish I'd seen that. I totally missed it.
It would seem that everyone is going there.
I was wondering, like, if you dig up a body part and throw it in the fire, it explodes in a big.
Yes, Wodan is how we pronounce it, is next. Oh, yeah, there you are. Yeah. Well, then you are next. Do you have anything that you want to say? Okay, if you do want to say something, I'll just go ahead and put everyone quiet down. Right. Whenever you feel you want to start.
Okay. Hello, everybody. I don't know if you know my name, but I got some worlds already published. One of those was in 2017, and it was my amusement park. I don't know if somebody of yours visit the park, my amusement park. It's well visited.
To answer this question, it is on Fiona's alt, which is just called BMO.
Recreate the park. And I made
It's
it
like,
an amusement park by night.
I think 85 avatars, maybe?
So it's twice larger. It has the old rides and some new rides and a lot of new stuff. So I hope you enjoy it. And I will open a puddle and a leg.
Do you want this leg?
Can I take my shovel with
He
me?
made the amusement park. I grew up in that place once.
I'm hungry.
Peep, get out of there.
I want to get nauseated before I fall asleep.
Smaller.
Yeah, you know, he's there.
I'm
Hey!
Oh, yeah.
Don't judge me, Nas.
It's okay. It looks good.
Let's give it a try.
It didn't want the leg.
Oh my god. Wait.
The leg.
The difference of fingers. It's
My frames. It's 45, but still, frames.
Oh my god. Everything is
I mean,
smooth
like, I
again.
never really noticed the difference between 45 and 90. So, like, it
So I don't know,
doesn't
yeah, 45 and 90, but you know, 20 and 45, yeah, that I notice.
Yeah. It's like how
you can see the
I
movement
don't
of your
tend to
hand,
notice the difference
like,
between
goes
30 and 60.
Did we happen to like lose a bunch of people, or is it just kind of like?
Okay, my
Yeah.
theory is,
I don't think
remember
we
the
lost
first
people.
guy?
I think that's...
No, you remember the first
We
guy?
had a lot of
who
people
showed
in
his,
here.
like, basketball thing?
Mm-hmm.
I feel like he just had a bunch of his friends join on
Wait,
him,
Squid is still
and
there?
he dipped when he was over because I haven't seen him.
Yeah, that may be true.
He was.
But alright, I'm gonna go through the portal.
Quite the character.
I actually did not look and see what it was. Amusement park night. So I remember like Hardlight talking about like avatar variations and like trying everything he could to get them enabled, but like no. So I know they exist. I don't think anybody ever got a chance to use them, but it would have been nice. But I think that's what the whole point of 3.0 was. Or like the replacement. I'm waiting so I can mute myself. Okay. But yeah, like one of the things that I wanted to do is like a final reward for that world. Like I couldn't do it because of animation limitations, but it's like I wanted to have a 3.0 avatar where you could just like turn on any of the limbs. But sadly, you can't just like, so one, literally having all the meshes would have been like way over the 70,000 poly limit. And the other part would have been like, you can't use an animation to change the mesh of a skin mesh renderer. And so then it's like, we have to like, what is it called? We would have to decimate it a lot to get all of the avatar limbs in.
But since 2015, 2016.
Engine talks.
So cool. This looks great.
Engine talks.
I think we're desynced again. Are we desynced because of the skee ball world here? I'm gonna move over there, Fiona, but I'm walking back, so just stay.
Yeah, they're rolling and rolling and rolling and rolling and hitting.
There you are.
I don't know if you heard me say that, but it's like I'm gonna walk back, but go stay where you are.
I was already. So you said that, but I was already following you, and then I followed you back. Yeah. So,
Yeah, we're clearly
okay,
getting desynced
Are
here.
they aware of the collision transfer?
Oh yeah, they're
issue?
definitely aware of it.
And
I remember Dan complaining
okay,
about it.
'cause-
Well, we should
Gotcha.
make another canny if it doesn't exist. But I'm pretty sure they are aware of it.
There's a cannon for physical objects crashing, but not for causing that.
I think the crashing is related. Like, if
Do
your
you think
computer can't
causes-
handle it, you will probably crash. Oh, wait, did it clear up? Do you see me move? No, does not look like it.
I'm seeing you moving all the time.
Oh, like you're super delayed.
No, it just looks like things smoothed out for rotation.
Everybody's
But like,
very jittery.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Welcome back, Bo.
Sorry,
At the moment.
I gave you a hand.
I mean, this is a VRChat bug. Like,
It's the collision transfer, I think, because it's enabled by default, and on all your ski balls, with this many people, we're all arguing about ownership or something. So, if no one skis, does the ski balls, hopefully it'll eventually resolve.
yeah, thankfully they kind of like jittered. Oh wait, everybody's out of the way.
Yeah, not the ski ball, there are not enough colliders in it. I have to repair that. They fell through, and yeah, a lot to do.
I mean, I don't know if you heard from the one, what was it, Ivan's World? If you plan on re-uploading this, is just kind of like remove collision transfer on any object sync just to like get around this bug.
I want to upload it. It's not public at the moment, so still private.
Oh, okay.
But I'm planning to upload it, so yeah, one of the I think next week.
Oh, next week.
Yeah.
So it might be a little.
Everything is working.
We might be a little desynced here, but like, do you want to give a tour?
Yeah, sure. Come on.
I'm just gonna have to assume the direction, so you'll have to like wait like 3 to 5 seconds after you stop.
Yeah. Don't move too fast. Wait.
So like, find a location and stop, and yeah, and then you can like do an explanation.
Over there is a little bit better, I think.
Okay. All right, you go. We'll follow you. Just wait for us once you get there.
Okay. Yeah, it's a really lag. Oh god. Yeah, it's good that we have now. In the future, there will be not more than 30 people. There will be less people.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, the Ferris wheel is going. Oh, is that a tilt-a-whirl? Okay, that's not a Ferris wheel. I was gonna say that's a Ferris wheel. That one was going so fast, and there's somebody on it.
I didn't see it happen. Wait,
No,
what?
So there's like a spinny ride right there that was going really fast. Oh, what the heck? The bumper car is out of the bumpers. Someone just drove a bumper car out there.
I don't see anything what you're describing. That's weird.
I mean, this looks like it would be fun if it wasn't like 40 people lag. Oh, there's another one.
Yeah, here comes another bumper car. Woo! Ameth's driving it over there.
Yes, sorry.
Oh dear.
Oh, and there's I just saw Sky Blazer and Dark Sister. They're all driving the bumper cars around.
If you're saying something, I can't. No, I just couldn't hear you speaking at all.
20 or something.
Oh, no, I wasn't saying anything. I was just trying to offer you popcorn.
40 is too much.
I got popcorn now. Oh, you just take it back.
Where can I get popcorn?
Wait. Oh, that was.
Hey, do you like,
Okay.
how do you call that? Cotton candy?
Oh, sure. Where is it?
I completely missed
Come
what you
on,
said.
follow me.
Okay.
How do they label this popcorn?
Oh, look, it's even got the it's even doing the spinning thingy.
Wait, is this the? Is,
Wait, can you make it? Can you do it?
Yeah, you can.
I remember there being a prefab for it.
Oh, look, they're gonna make it!
Oh, that's cool. I like that.
I like it.
You can't eat it though.
Interesting.
I have the eatable plugin downloaded, Fiona. But I didn't try it in there because when you eat, all the segments from the food is going everywhere.
Yeah, for this you don't have to take the pickup out of their hand. You can just eat the food part, and so you can take. So like it's really just like on trigger, enter, like disable. Like that's very very easy.
Yep,
But I like this. I like this.
And I made a button so everything is respawning. So where the cotton candies are.
What's the
So, yeah.
safety
Oh, look at
rating
this
like in
thing.
this amusement park? Because somebody just flew out of that ride.
Oh god.
Question about the safety of the roller coaster. Why did everyone move their head on the roller coaster?
What are you doing, Stronghead?
If you ever ride the roller coaster, you're gonna hit your head on a pillar.
Should I go do that then?
If you sit on the left side, you get hit by way more pillars. No, in the right side, you get hit by way more pillars than on the left side.
Oh, I'm assuming this is a not bad car because it has the broken shader piece.
Hey, would you like some popcorn?
I've had enough popcorn for the day.
Yeah, alright. Put it back where it belongs.
Okay, I guess go ride the spinny things. This isn't gonna make me. Well, no, it's not gonna make you sick. It's just gonna look sickening. Can I even click them? You can click them. It's broken though because 3.0 avatars. Wait, is it slowing down?
Oh, we need to go outside.
Speed up.
It looks like it's slowing down.
Yeah.
Wait, I'm not sure. Like, wait, does Avatar 3.0 have an ability to switch like meshes? Because like we could request that as a script, maybe. Oh, but then like, how would the performance rating actually read that? So maybe not. I'm just escaping.
The border cars are easily my favorite part of this map right now.
Oh, they just there it goes. But Toby, like about your world, I think the main issue was just that one part that was like the one part that's just kind of like potentially against TOS because it's like suicide reference. I mean, the rest of it, I guess, could be considered just kind of like, you know, your art or whatever. But at the same time, ooh. Oh, there we go.
Oh, this feels. Anyone can see me? Who am I sitting on?
I can see your name, but I don't see your avatar. Oh, there you are.
I'm on somebody's shoulder.
Signos.
Guys, the amusement park is out in the middle of nowhere.
Oh, this looks nice.
I just realized that. Does this have sound that I don't hear?
Yeah, there is sound.
I can't turn it up until we stop.
Oh shit, yo. Koala, hold me, I'm gonna fall.
What do you mean hold you? Hold me, I'm too fat.
Don't worry, you'll just get pinched in the seat. You'll be fine.
Oh dear lord. Okay. Why are there bumper cars flying all over the...
They're flying all over the
If someone decides to break them out of the location, oh god, this is very dizzying.
Oh my god, this is wee. Why is there somebody running on the track? Get off the track!
It's pure. It doesn't matter. They're not gonna go flying or anything.
Oh, here we go. Okay, there, I'm on your shoulder now. I should be able to see you better.
Oh my god, my head's hitting every pole. Ow, 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 ow.
You're jiggling everywhere, Koala.
Oh my god, I'm too big for this ride. Oh no.
Koala, hold on.
To what? Hopes and dreams?
Yes, yes.
Oh, the poles again. Ow, ow. Ow, ow.
This feels like... Oh, somebody's gonna run over.
I'm gonna need a Panadol extra when we're done here.
You need some Tylenol on top of that?
Oh, I think this is the end of it.
Oh.
Yeah.
So ends my head hitting all the poles.
Okay. I don't know how long we've been here, but we should probably move on.
Fiona.
I don't know if you should try this. You have like
Quick, have some cotton candy.
I want cotton candy.
I mean, sorry to disappoint, but we probably should be moving on soon. It was a fun world that we got distracted.
Yeah.
It's pretty fun.
Yeah, well, next week.
I like how
will be
all
published.
the bumper
Next week?
cars have
Okay.
gone missing in that area over there.
Mm-hmm.
Hello. How's...
Oh, what the hell? Why is there... What the...
Oh, I guess that's like instant synced. There's my phone.
Hey, you changed it to respawn. What's wrong with you?
So, did you guys all crash too, or did you just hit respawn sign?
I just hit respawn.
Good.
Oh, I can't turn on that mirror because it says it shows you a true reflection.
Wait, this is everyone?
Like, do we actually... Are people lagging out of this world, I guess? No, we're still past full. I just opened my phone and didn't even look where I was supposed to.
What's good?
So Varnian is next. And... Oh, there you are.
Varneon.
Wait, where'd they go?
Do you have anything you want to say before we go to your world?
All I remember
I
is
guess
the
it's
driver.
driver.
Okay, let me just put the quiet, please.
So I crashed throwing you.
This world was Wodan. But yeah, everyone,
The event one?
So we both crashed.
everybody, quiet, please, and listen to Varnian. Varnian.
Okay, so 2 weeks ago, you remember me showing off the world with the Spotify player, and now, last week, at the same time when the meetup started, I started working on this world that I'm going to show right now. And the main idea was to just showcase the new technology, which is a new done behavior which calculates spaces for audio in real time. So basically every single speaker that you will see in front of the stage, they're all calculated in real time. The directionality of the speaker is calculated in which direction it's pointing towards, relative to your head position, and also proximity. The proximity, the volume of the space, how large it is to each wall, and I recommend you just walk up to the subwoofers and stick your head in. And once again, my own playlist is not copyrighted, so you can, if you're streaming, you can play that safely. And yeah, a week ago, you can probably remember me showing the texturing process of my new speakers. They're also on the display on the left side, and everything you see in this world, except the world model itself, they are going to go for sale pretty soon on my nightclub model pack. So that's also something you keep in mind. And yeah, let's just go see what it's all about, and let's listen to some music.
Every song is gonna become a hard-bass song at the subwoofer.
All the money emotes.
This is
Hey Simon, you're probably gonna enjoy this. I already seen it.
Am I now?
And I'm not like this. The subwoofers is gonna make every song on the list a hard bass song.
Okay. Oh, people are going in.
Portal, please. Portal. Portal, please. Portal, please.
Привет! There are people trying to drive through with the bumper cars.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can try.
Hey, Cyan, look at this! It's the same pink thing from your not bad cars.
I'm pretty sure this is a not bad car because you could see like the logo back there.
Yeah, and no wonder. Is that supposed to
Where
be
is the
showing or
portal?
no?
It's a break. It's a thing from the script itself. So no, it's not supposed to be, but that's like in the prefab. But okay, I'm gonna go through the portal. Oh, I already missed what you were gonna say.
That's a good question.
While it's loading a song, that might still break something. So just be slow with the player and I'll let it do its thing.
Some of the people in front of this.
Oh fuck. Come on.
Yeah, as soon as you have something playing, just try walking around the space, go next to the subwoofers. If you have play space mover, just move yourself up to the array speakers up top, and just go to the stage, jump into the back, try how it sounds where you're eating and whatnot. And walk back and forth the main floor, and just listen how the reverb is going to change depending on your position.
With the effect.
Do you see what I mean now?
No, I didn't hear you. Oh, yes.
Look at this.
Stick your head in it.
To it. It jitters.
I can barely even hear the melody of the song, I'm just hearing the bass.
I want to hear other people bass boost. I want to hear Cyan bass boosted.
If you go up to those speakers, it changes it also differently.
See?
Oh, it stopped for me.
The more you bass boost it, the more red, like an aggressive the color becomes. But damn, this is hard.
Pretty sure this is not like properly showing on stream.
It's going to calculate what is the angle between the forward axis and what is pointing at your head, and then it's doing the reverb calculations from that. So basically, the sound source doesn't have any curves whatsoever, and the reverb effect is also fully real time. So basically, everything is calculated on the spot, so there is no presets in use. And when I'm going to expand this, I'm going to add doorway there, entrance there, and stairs up. It's going to be different audio zones that you can assign to the behavior, and it will basically change in real time in what kind of area you are, and it's going to calculate in how large area you are currently.
Interesting.
This looks really great, man. Awesome.
Where does that take place?
I love systems like this.
Yeah, please, everyone show some love to my... Yeah, everyone please show some love to my speakers. I spent 4 days texturing them.
4 days just texturing.
I saw him do it. Basically, 5 speakers here have about 5,000 vertices.
Oh, you can pick them up?
Optimized. Look how detailed they are.
No, this is great, man. Looks good.
This is some amazing work right there.
Such good boom.
Get Wi-Fi.
No, it looks great. Oh my god.
Thanks. Yeah, in the next development blog, I'm probably going to explain the model pack a little better. And,
hey, Dinky, are you there?
I have a world for that.
Yeah.
For instance.
Are you showing your world off today?
He's actually next, by the way.
Yeah, I'm actually next in the slot.
Oh, fabulous. Alright. I'm staying.
Really tried to I crashed like 5 times in the last
Oh no.
Yeah, me too. I was gonna say, I hope I don't crash in your world, but...
Have you tried Materialize by Resplendence?
I made like a little linear adventure for us.
I like it. I like it a lot for things like realistic stuff. Like my belt buckle is literally a belt buckle I wear every day.
I didn't put earthbending.
Yeah, it's like it's just like one photograph, right? And it does proper PBR with depth. But I like to take those textures and then modify them a little bit because they're never perfect, but they're always pretty okay. But I haven't taken the Substance Painter red pill yet. I definitely have to.
Yeah, pretty much another thing about the speakers is that with this system in place, world creators will actually have a reason for positioning their speakers anywhere they are putting them. So basically, you're going to do the complete coverage of the space, and you're going to be determining where do you want to have subs, where do you want to have full range, and kind of just creating that audio space that is comfortable for the users, so that you have the active space where you're going to be dancing, but you're still going to have a space where it's a little bit more quiet and relaxed. So it's not just straight up just one position where the audio is coming from. Plus, this is only one audio source.
Encode. They'll have to learn how to. Are you going to set it up so that you can encode 5.1 or 4.1? Wow. Because Udon can grab those those zones, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, so the new
Yes, Cyan, how
new
close
player,
did you go to
can
the
actually
speaker? Or
use
the
you can actually
I mean, I was
use
inside
the,
it.
AV Pro callouts
Oh,
for,
okay.
for like the different channels.
It's definitely
so if your video is encoded
yeah.
properly, there's only a couple
It definitely shows.
But if you want, you can actually choose like the channels and then decide what game object. You can even turn it off. Like you could even have a 2.1 toggle and a 4.1 toggle and a 5.1 toggle, and all of that would work. Like it'd be kind of nice.
Yeah. But yeah, this was a real nice experiment with just one audio source, one reverb filter, and one low pass, one high pass, and all of them just real time. And I'm moving the one audio source in real time between the speakers that are triangulated based on your head.
So where are these
That's
filters
really awesome.
from?
And then you click play. These days is pretty much play VRChat.
Oh my goodness.
We're running in the GPU?
What is that?
Where did the filters
The
from?
audio filters.
Yeah.
CPU.
Hey Banyan, I might send my log file after this because it somehow completely broke again.
Okay.
Is it better?
Would be good to use it in a lo-fi radio. A radio speaker, yeah. Like in the as well. Use it for lo-fi. Or realistic sounding lo-fi stuff. It would be good.
Yeah, it was possible to do a 5.1 theater before, but it was a convoluted, extremely annoying, and really hard. Like you had to, it was just way too much work to get it working. And this
Was it a hack?
if you built, no, it wasn't. It was just the way. Like if you look at, for example, the way that TCL or not TCL, the theater that Owlboy built. If you look at his explanation of it, it explains like how that's done. But like the encoding is the hard part. Right, you have to encode. You have to get a video that already has the 5.1 channel audio, and then you got to use FFmpeg to decode it into like one of the only formats that AV Pro supports, and then you have to self-host everything. Right, so it'd be nice to have a system that does it with Udon correctly. It makes it a little bit easier. Sweet. You should build an editor script that just pulls up FFmpeg and does the encoding. You should just like convert video. It wouldn't be too hard.
People are crying. They want an autoplay feature.
Yeah. Yeah, it's yeah.
One of the whitelisted URLs I think is Facebook, so you could use Facebook.
I am Ghost. Hello. I saw you before.
360 audio, maybe.
Yes.
Am I crashing again?
That's a nice camera you have there.
Maybe.
Yeah, probably. See you in a second.
Alright.
Yes.
I think we're gonna move on then.
Because my video card is losing device.
Thank you for showing this.
All good.
I'll be back in a sec.
And all the details. I mean, it's a small world, but I guess we could still respawn.
It's almost not crashed. Just barely.
So as I said, Dinky, you are next. People aren't responding because it's a small world, so they just pick a spot and they can gather around. Oh, there.
No, it's like I want to come up. It just can't. Waking up. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Where did he go? That's fine. He's right there.
Oh.
What the hell is the laser of doom?
I'm just trying to point to people being like, this is the area we're listening to.
That's fucking awesome. Hey, can you guys hear me?
Alright.
Turn off the music. So this week I made like a little linear adventure, and it's mostly to test out some mechanics I've been working on. So one thing to note is there's now an inventory system. So the button that opens your VRChat menu, if you click the VRChat menu button on both controllers at the same time, you'll summon an inventory in front of yourself, which has toggles for climbing on the right and your HUD. And on the left, there's a little cube which you can store items in. So as you go on this linear adventure, if you see an item and you want to keep it, click both VRChat menu buttons on your controllers and just place it in that cube. That way you can keep the items with you. There is climbing. It works very similar to the climbing that's been in VRChat. Just there's a little kind of boost you can do. So if you pull and let go, you'll sort of fling in the direction you were doing it. And for the most part, it's pretty self-explanatory. We'll just be walking in a linear adventure and doing some different mechanics and fighting some enemies at the end. There will be a big Cyclops at the end we're going to fight. His weak point is his head, so you're going to want to either you can climb up his limbs, like Dragon's Dogma. If you've ever played that, it'll be like a VR version of that. Or you can use the grappling hook, which we'll get part way, to sort of grapple around and get on top of him. For anyone that's played this before and knows my mechanics, you know that they're kind of hard because they never have tutorials. If you see someone struggling and you know the mechanics for like the bow, which only works in left hand, you can't do right hand bow. Please like help people
I
out.
learned that the hard way.
But basically, when we start,
middle hand.
your middle hand. You lost me there. I only got the two, the right, the left.
Or something?
But yeah, so just open up when we start. Both buttons on your VR controllers to open your menu, and you'll want to turn on climbing left and right, and then you can climb the first mountain, and from there I'll try and guide you guys, and we'll just move forward.
But I'm a dirty peasant desktop user.
No.
If you are a desktop user, I'm so sorry. I was doing this last minute. You will be stuck at the beginning chatting with other desktop users.
How disappointing.
So it's for desktop users. It's got a little playmat on it. Don't worry.
If you do, if you fall off, Bever, just respawn with your VRChat respawn.
Thank you.
Why is my place in the floor? I don't know.
So I have an avatar that has in-game flying, so it's the same. So you can always jump in.
Thank you.
Oh no.
Fuck you.
So resetting my play space puts me here. So it's like it's not.
Oh, resetting my play space puts me here a little bit above.
Okay, there you go.
Alright.
Not get in.
I think you should be looking up more. Oh, they're gone. Controller's down.
Alright, where's my buddy? There you are.
There we go. Alright, so let me go to that avatar. So it's the Protogen, but I did a medium quality for
no.
Dinky.
Okay, I
already have
remember
a
this
big problem
time
with the
that
inventory.
axes
If
have
you
to be
put the
thrown,
top
they
half
can't
of the
just melee
axe
with them.
inside the inventory and the bottom half outside it, and drop it.
Yeah, you just kind of have to like shove it in there and get it in. I have to figure that out, but I couldn't figure it out. Some kind of rule needs to be set or something.
So
But
I think I found a
basically
flaw.
What you guys wanted to do is, I need to look away from this. I'm gonna crash.
Version of what I made, basically, Dinky.
Yeah. What'd you say, Sion?
I was gonna say I think I found a flaw, but it's like my own fault here. I only have one menu button because I just like unbound it on my left hand, so I don't think I can open the menu or open the inventory.
I can't.
So
I can't either.
the table that you would open is somewhere over here. You could get up the first cliff. You just have to turn on climbing. The only hard part is
Cyan,
climbing.
doesn't it work? Yeah. Isn't it bound to like actual
I also have to like turn this way not to lag me out. But you can just talk facing the clouds.
Press both of them, does it not work? If you press both P buttons, does it work?
So like my yeah, there's nothing like bound to this hands menu button, so like VRChat doesn't do anything with it.
I'm more thinking, do you think that because VRChat is using Unity events, maybe with key presses?
Cyan, you can just click the buttons on the table.
Okay.
But never press down, because what'll happen is the rubber on the outside will come away from the lens and then start. Oh, it's terrible. It's
Oh,
one of the
just
only
giant
options
orbs
I
now.
think. The other thing I can recommend doing too is, you know how the cord comes through the back?
Ouch.
That little ring back. I highly recommend wrapping that in tape so that the
Sorry, on
cord
stream,
itself
that you're the
doesn't
only ones that hear
actually
that.
move inside the ring. Because the more that happens, eventually that back piece will break right off. It always happens every single time. So if you use that tip for more than a little bit of time, and you get a little bit of a pull on it, eventually that little plastic guarantee, like every time, 100%.
Okay, that is cool.
Valley of Dreams.
That is cool.
Why is it like my hands are so far from my body? Oh, 3.0 avatars.
What is cool? Like everyone's like, that is cool. What are we talking about?
Probably the Valley of Dreams thing.
The hat on the arm is pretty awesome, Nick. Go all the way over here.
Be careful.
That's an interesting shadow.
You okay there, Cyan?
I can't get to the top. It won't let me.
You guys want a lift? I kind of got flung off and we gave up.
No. Hey, go grab the tree over here.
There we go. I had to place space my way to not have the issue.
Wait, so Cyan, is he using your climbing system in Udon somehow? I don't understand.
No, he said similar, but it is not. Like, he rebuilt it.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say like you can't use it like so like what's the
It's a lot of physics math because Udon doesn't let us do anything but set player velocity. We can't even add force or.
You can still teleport the player, but like, it. Yeah.
Hey, Dinky, I didn't cheat, okay?
So wait, you did that all through set velocity?
Yeah, it's
Oh.
basically in our hand. There's a little just game object with absolutely nothing there.
Mhm.
When it turns purple and we hold trigger and grab, it sets the grab position and parents it to whatever you're grabbing, and then
Mhm.
wherever we move our hand in relation to that now placed point is how it moves our velocity.
Mm-hmm. So like, are issues with teleport player in place. So it's like people were complaining that set velocity was not the right thing to do, but if you're doing the math for it, like it just works out.
Yeah, it took. The first iteration of it was awful, and I was like, there's no way this is going to work with physics, but I spent like a week on it and eventually got it somewhat reasonable. But it's hard because like this is just a mesh collider for my island.
Mhm.
So you'll probably notice like sometimes it just launches you because your player capsule and the mesh
Yeah.
collider, as soon as you release, it just does not like that at all.
So-
I saw
that's
some
the only
people
thing
get
where it's-
flinged, yeah.
So one of the things that like FaZe Dragon
where
did
if
to
I could,
get
like-
around that for like his climbing system that he never like publicly released a prefab for
use the tree, use
was
the
that he basically made it so like he makes his own collider for players and nothing in the world actually collides with like the player local layer. And so like from
That
that,
actually sort of seems like the way to go because
like the way he
there's
did that
so
though
many
is like
times where
if
I'm
you
like, I
actually
wanna turn
crouch,
that
you
off.
can then get under things that are like you wouldn't normally.
Oh, that would be so nice for a lot of things too.
So yeah,
because
if you just
get
make
so
your own
restricted
collider.
with that, like,
Dinky. This is your normal world, right? Because Valley of Dreams teleport, we're going to die.
Wait, what just hit me?
I know how we went to Valley of Dreams.
Something just hit me.
Well, there's monsters down there.
Slide, I'm so lost because he was invisible for me too, and nothing is synced in this world.
To me.
I just hear the like the
There's
hit like the hit
an
sound.
enemy up ahead. Something is stretching the triggers for like his aggro system because when I was climbing it said Valley of Dreams and the trigger
Oh, yeah, same.
that puts us in Valley of Dreams is like way over there.
Oh, I was
This is
wondering
a
what
single
that-
player, so I don't know how.
Mm-hmm. Wait, pot shop?
Standing here, minding my own
Wait, is it
business, and
synced
then
somehow?
he punched me.
I just got pot shop for
I'm
some
very
reason.
confused. Yeah, I just got pot shop too. Nothing is synced, but that would mean my triggers are my colliders are moving around somehow. That makes no sense to me. I don't know.
All I heard was a falcon punch and then to be continued.
I can really use used the climbing thing and I died up there while standing there near the tree.
Hello and bye.
Now I'm in Kingdom.
I just got Kingdom of the
I'm pretty sure this
Yeah,
is
me
synced.
too. Yeah, me too. How is it? Okay, I died.
Oh, I just died.
This makes no sense to me.
I didn't die, but I'm just here.
Monster below us?
I'm dying.
Hey Dinky, could it possibly...
Are you sure it's not synced?
I'm positive. Based on VRChat and Udon, I wouldn't doubt if they have something in there with the network and it's somehow bugged because remember ever since I started this world we've been having sync issues. There's no network.
Yeah, that is true.
Monster under us, maybe?
I don't know what their code is for Udon, but they must have some network thing in there that just can somehow get activated.
Do you think there's a monster underneath us that is somehow doing it?
Oh, I think everybody's desynced. Well, wait. What? There's another Dinky. Okay.
Somebody gets punched, everyone thinks to get punched as well, even if they have nothing to do about it.
Okay, so Dinky, we might be getting desynced now and have to like move on.
Yeah, we are desynced.
We might have to go back to the hub because I can already see you lagging around.
Can you see me, Kala?
So there's Dinky, and then there's someone in Dinky's
Everyone's desynced, I don't know where anyone is.
Okay, so... Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna tell everyone to go to the hub, but you are next.
Okay, go back to the hub.
Rejoin the hub.
Also, Dinky, if you know the whatever layer that appears on your
I'm getting punched
on the screen, that dreams of the cloud thing, it steals the raycast, so you can't do anything on that side.
Oh, when it like pops up.
Yeah, I was interacting with my menu and I could not click on anything anymore because I was opening the raycast.
I could put. I think if I put it on player local, you could. I don't know if you could still see.
Yeah. I'm confused. We were joining on whoever is in the hub.
I'll go ahead and join so that you guys can join off me.
Fiona, so it's like somehow moving random colliders around in sync.
Okay. Alright, you guys, I'm going there. You can join on me.
Alright, you can also join on me. I'm standing on it. Get off my cord.
The password is 1234567
How do you know this?
Oh, I'm sorry. The password is 2345671.
You're right the first time.
No, I was trying to confuse everyone else.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so we'll wait at least like 3 to 4 minutes.
I go all the time with 144, and then I go to these events, and then I get them back. I'm like, oh my god, what have I been missing?
Oh yeah, no, it was nuts. I was at an event last night, with not last night, the night before last. I was at a DJ event, and man, it was nice to like. We were only a few of us in the world because we were in a master instance that we were broadcasting to another instance with Lox's shader motion system. So we were like mostly testing that, and it was late at night. So I was in there with like 4 other people, and oh my god, it was just like nuts. It was just so immersive. We weren't even watching the video on the main screen either. We just like had a Twitch going in my desktop.
I think the security team is aware and fixing it.
Morning cafe. Were they sitting in a cafe and were they sitting in a cafe and yes, morning cafe.
How many people have we lost because of the desync?
I mean, if you have to report that kind of stuff, I don't think a user report does it because then they can't see anything through the website that would indicate that kind of stuff.
Oh, I love that avatar. It's such a cute. Yeah, it's very different. Yeah, mine's like that too. Like I've been refining the armature on this one to be scaled to me for like at least 3 months, and I've done it like 4 times. It's never right. It's never perfect.
I think because he dropped his,
It's awesome though. Are you gonna get full body at some point? Yeah.
It's just the way VRChat cameras work. It's like
You should just get like that iPad app and just have someone just
Wait, where's the
just
climbing
go around you.
Just constantly follow you.
So
I've done that. I'm into photogrammetry. I've definitely done that. I've got I do a model of my daughter every couple of years too. So like as she grows up, I've got like from like little.
Is it a
girl to,
protogen meetup?
13 is really neat.
What? No.
The protogen avatar. Like this is surprisingly.
Wait, did Colin not even make it?
I think they're still in the world with Dinky. It's just that the menu updates so slowly that you have to wait. Which is fixed. I don't know if it's next week.
Wait, I thought you just pushed the update to the menu.
The menu, yeah, I don't know the menu performance, but we have a WebSocket.
Oh, that part.
Friend, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so what I did was basically I sent a report of the player with my logs file that had everything in it.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know. Sometimes the information is not clear enough, so.
I think I do.
Yeah.
When I talk, it's just like one.
But still did it just to, like.
Yeah, that's good. Definitely.
It's probably like I probably moved that vertex while I was
It's funny
building
how in the network
like
messages it
a
actually said the Discord tag of the creator of the thing.
I'm pretty sure they got hit with one at some point during one of my events, like public instance, and it just could not rejoin the world anymore. There was just too many events, and so it just destroyed the instance. But yeah, that's VRChat.
But I don't want to say too much about how it works when they're streaming here because that's
Streaming, yeah.
Oh no, I mean
sharing too much knowledge.
I'm pretty sure the security team knows everything about it.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure they know too because I'm pretty sure that the log file I sent has probably been sent further, maybe.
I mean, we have people from within those communities who just send us anything that is new immediately when that appears, so we fix it.
But
You just announce that you have spies.
Just in case, because they're just like, here you go.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Experience this.
I don't know, my team is that technical.
Who's next? Is it
Kala is next, and Kala is also the last world of the meetup so far. So I guess I don't know how many other people are going to join. Are people like still desynced in the other world?
Yeah, no, it's good to be able to do that.
Mine got so desynced I had to restart all of VRChat together. Nothing would load at all.
That yeah, it does sound pretty bad, but like I'm not sure how many people are still spawning in. So it's like if you want to say anything, I'll just open the center for you.
I don't speak from a professional standpoint.
Well, whenever you're ready, you can just like go to the seat, like center, and I'll put up the quiet, please.
Professional standpoint, but I don't think we're supposed to have zippers where they are.
Yeah, being able to do this is such a good thing.
I really just very suspicious that they should zipper it up female, you know.
Like what normally happens when a user is banned? Do the name change to random letters and numbers? Or what? When the user is banned, do the names change to random letters and numbers?
I don't think so. No, I think they only change it when it's hateful.
Oh, so the person might just have changed their username after that to try to hide it.
This must be a fun week for you.
I don't know if they can do anything after because they don't have access. Maybe through the support. I don't know. Is Kala next?
Kala is next. We're just waiting for more people because apparently, you know, they're just not loading very fast.
Oh, are we inviting people? Because that would be much faster.
I mean, if you want to invite them, because like, am I like, I don't actually know who was. No, I guess I can invite people on this one. It's Friends Plus, isn't it? But yeah, I guess whenever Colin wants to start, because like people are still going to continue to join, we should probably go to the next instance.
Should I just go ahead then?
Yeah, you should go ahead.
But yeah, we also thought that thing first the 40 had a print crash
I
everyone.
can't believe how sensitive my video card's overclock is. So my
Because
air
of
conditioner's not running nearly as good as
but
it was.
often doesn't even
So
look.
now that's enough to make it
No.
crash.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah, because
the VRChat is not foolproof though.
yeah, I know.
Hello.
I know, like, because
Hello?
how it works when block uses the scope.
You seem to be having a good time down there.
Still synchronizing some
I was a bit burnt out from the last world, so I'm like
Definitely, I
napping,
was like, oh.
resting.
That's one of my ideas.
You know, it's still hitting 1987. So picky.
Oh, do you want me to put the quiet, please, or
I guess this is everyone.
for now, I guess. All right, everyone, quiet, please. Carla is going to speak about their world before we go to it. Which, by the way, this is the last world in the list. So, yep.
Okay, hi everyone. Nice seeing you all again. Missed you guys, and so far the worlds have been bombastic, and I enjoyed the work that you guys have put into it. Much bravo for everyone. The next world that that we're going to go into is actually a world that some of you already are familiar with, which is Sector 27. It's a cyberpunk world that I've been working on since last year. And what I've done to the world this time is like before it used to be a little dull in terms like in some areas. Some places looked like they were basically where they're supposed to have some sort of reflection, they didn't. And some places are supposed to have the shine drops on the ground, they didn't. But over time, as I was learning more about Unity and optimization and performance, like adjustments and whatnot, I started to learn more and more about how shaders actually come into play when it comes to making things look pretty. The only thing I did not do yet is post-processing, so I'm very sorry about that part. I didn't put it in yet. It's only because I was more concerned about having the world to run at a stable performance before I make it even prettier. So that's the only thing that's missing from that world. But otherwise, you guys are free to explore and have your way around. I put jump in the world now, so nobody can tell me I didn't put jump. Yeah, that was like the #1 complaint about my worlds. No, everyone's clicking and then looking at me, you know. So, so yeah, you can hop around and have a look around, and it's basically the same design and the same layout, except it's gonna look much prettier now. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions or if you have any like things that you'd like to point out, or if you want to know about something, just give me a shout, and I'll go ahead and drop the portal now.
Do you like crabs? I think they're cool.
I like turtles.
Valid choice.
I'm not saying no to
I like crustaceans.
That's sure. Turtle drink.
I like crabs to eat. The anticipation for it to die.
You know, the only thing it needs, is the
It's a really good roll of that shit also.
I hear they have really good
This is what...
Just remember that the world's quite big inside. Forewarning.
Just forgot to mention that. 300 megabytes, was it?
It feels so weird. 400
megabytes.
Oh no.
Anybody go next time?
What was that? Why are we whispering? You look so relaxed as you move around.
Everyone's ISP is gonna call you.
Too bad I don't have that setting.
Doing with your bandwidth.
Okay, I'm gonna go in, and if I die, good night.
Are you being serious? There's like no sound at all in the stream? Has that been the entire time? No, it just made a noise. It's probably just quiet. I mean, immediately before this stream, I was doing what is it? Phasmophobia? So I had to change the setting for that one. I don't know if it like reset. Yeah, there's definitely sound.
Someone lied. Someone lied about a jump. In terms of adjustments and everything.
Okay. Well, can't you confess your stuff?
I mean, what are you talking about? There's jump.
I definitely need to like.
There's no jump.
Jump? Jump? Jump?
What was the limit for community meetup, by the way?
I don't know if there was like a max limit. I don't remember. Oh, wait, I guess we did.
I had a limit.
I think we said put the walls of the. Okay.
Senpai, we've been lied to.
Hey, where's the jumping?
Jump. There's no sound.
No, there should be jump. It doesn't work?
Wait,
So-
this was 417. Oh shit.
What's the last world?
I don't know why it's not working.
Is this the old version or a new one?
No, this is actually a newer one. Like, I actually did a lot of work in terms of the ground and the lighting has been adjusted as well. You can actually see the bloody buildings now. It's not black.
You can see the sky.
This is really nice.
You can see the sky. Like before, the buildings, the taller, bigger buildings in the background, they were pitch black before.
I can't read that.
Really?
Oh.
There's one thing I think that broke here. Yeah, I broke. Oh, come on.
Hmm.
There's these are lights. They're supposed to come on. I don't know why they're.
Hmm.
And the pop-up light?
Why am I not going?
No, still tricky. So I can just reattach it. Like that's fine.
don't know why it's not working. I literally
Going to the I think what I'd have to do is like if I really want a high angle, I'm just gonna have to like do this and then go drone so that it stays.
At least now, there aren't any pitch black areas, and that was my biggest issue with this world. There were areas like in the corners, it was like you can't see anything, regardless how I set up the lighting. So I spent like almost the entire day trying to fix.
Maybe. It's not light baked, is it?
I must say I'm
No,
impressed
these
with
are
the
baked.
frame rate.
You're not using night probes?
Actually, no, I haven't used like.
Yeah.
So what does it normally do? Is it shoot
Like,
light,
Bella,
or does it just
I'm impressed with the
yeah,
performance
otherwise
here.
you always have the same light intensity on your avatar everywhere.
And when you grip, it holds like it
The
allows
point
you
of
to
backlighting is that if you put light probes, people get light information from the probe and, well, intensity and color changes. Yep. So it works.
What is my limit when it comes to the probes? Like, how many can I actually send?
Well, give yourself 10,000. Anything less than that is good.
Whoa! Does this place actually need that many?
I mean, you have a ton of tiny points of lights everywhere, like and tiny emissions and everything. So like, if you want it to be consistent, that's good. But otherwise, you can have like a few hundred.
And it's also high performance. You're using those, right?
I think there's a cost to it. I think there's only a cost if you change between them all the time.
Yeah, but it's way more performant than using actual lights. Like, I'm already impressed with the performance in the world right now. It feels really. Yeah.
That was my priority. As soon as I made everything look like this with this much detail, my second task was optimization.
Yeah, it used to be I think it used to be 4,000.
Yes, it was.
Like, Carl, how many windowing tricks are you using here to make it so good?
Also, another thing, and I have again Rubik to thank for this, because when he saw my editor when we were screen sharing, he looked at my camera and he was like, "Where's your Where's the occlusion?"
If you have optimization, just show the stats menu with your camera in your world and start from here. Because this world is, I mean, there's a ton of stuff in the world, so that makes sense. It's just like all the cars you see, it's like, oh yeah, this car is 50 different parts. Because that's how it was sold, and you can't really fix that easily. So like, pretty much everything but anywhere. It's like everything is a prefab, but it's only used once, so it doesn't matter. And shaders also sometimes, for specific things. I'm glad the shader, the range still works though.
This actually what was happening here. It did have the water, but the droplets were completely broken.
I'm sorry,
and,
I still feel head up.
that was another thing I wanted to fix, and now I actually got a break.
Flat like a ball.
Wait, I can't jump.
I know.
I actually put the players on, and I actually checked it was working, and for some reason, we came in here now, and it doesn't work. I don't know why. I'm so sorry.
Oh no, we're gonna change the breast size again.
Oh, you're forgiven. Timing is slightly off.
It's a standard model
but
feature.
apparently this has to do with because these
If it's
are
an
like
animation,
an image. Yeah, it is.
yeah, you can change that.
I mean, no, not this being an animation. This is actually right now. It's like a one image, and it's scrolling through that image. It's like these
sprite
billboards.
sheets. Yeah. I don't. Can you control sprite sheet like speed through a shader? Is that...
I mean, it depends on the shader.
I don't know.
I mean, a shader would hopefully, you know, expose that option.
Candy's hard to make, so.
The
I know.
that I use in this word, it actually came with its own shader to make these happen.
Well, I mean, like, I don't think the shader is that complicated, I suppose, but it's just kind of like, if they didn't provide the option, you'd probably have to add it.
That's what caramel is. It's
Something about a
sugar
few.
and butter.
Or, you know.
One thing I want to check it is it's this zebra line here. I want to see if the color gets blued or not.
Mine is blue right now. What's that?
I don't think that's. I mean, that's difficult to bake because it's metallic. So.
Oh my god, it's fixed! It's fixed! It doesn't splooge anymore when you go too far from it! This was an issue. When you go really far and you're looking at this zebra line, the colors all merge into one blob. This was before I fixed it. Now when I looked into it, it's not.
Yeah, I was gonna say, it sounds like Mip Map. That or, what is it called? Ancio? I don't remember what the setting was called.
Anisotrophic filtering.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I'm not getting it.
Aniso level.
As well as the sidewalk. I fixed the textures over there as well.
Level.
It's unstretched anymore.
Driver, you're on the sidewalk.
This is such a pretty world. My god.
I don't know if it's just how I'm used to VRChat.
Really good too. Like,
used to seeing something like this and then expecting terrible performance.
Are you walking like that, Cyan?
I want to get higher without.
This is 3.0, what do you mean?
Okay. Okay.
You gotta find another ramp.
Didn't Orel say there was like ways to like replace all the animations? Because I still don't.
Yeah, XZ basically.
Oh, ZZ.
New controllers that you can drag and drop. He on his Patreon, like his latest thing, you basically replace everything with better things for everything. Yeah, and it's great.
Okay, I'll have to look into that.
Even Vizim animation, Fiona's probably gonna be happy about it too, because it makes all the animations, well, all the Vizims look much better compared to the Oculus system. So.
Okay, yeah, I definitely have to look into this because like, I don't like using this avatar normally because it's just like all the weird animations.
So I'm using a custom base animator that has a few problems.
A base? Yeah, no.
Yeah, at least I can jump in Avatar with. Oh, I can't jump in this world without losing tracking because of all this stuff, and still have a walking animation.
Yep.
Yeah. It's not perfect.
Oh, you mean the police
Is
drone?
it synced?
No.
No, it's actually local. I didn't actually focus on the drone at the time because when I
Hey
first
Cyan,
made
we
the
have the
drone,
garage club over
I
there.
didn't yet learn about world syncing.
Garage.
And should
Garage
probably
club.
do that.
I don't know how to pronounce it.
Like, you know, if
English is not my main language, okay?
Well, no, like the way you pointed it out, like I actually don't remember now the spelling. Cause it's just like ga and then it's like rage. So it's just like, huh. If you wanted to emphasize it that way, it's the Rage Club.
Sounds fun.
Industrial design.
Join the World Optimization channel and the main VRChat Discord. You look at the pins. There's a tool made by Dooley, which only crunches the textures used in your scene. That way, it doesn't take too long. But you should use that like after this meetup, so that you can reduce the size of the world by half.
It's going.
Love you.
I also wanted to add
Do you hear me?
Video, not just a drone coming down and fly away. I actually wanted to add hover taxis, hover police, and basically there's also like a hover ambulance.
He tried to kill me.
That, I wanted to like kind of make it kind of hover above people here. So you get more of a sense that you're in the, like, you know, you're in a city that's actually
What part of it that he didn't manage to kill me or that he tried to kill me?
Got your nose.
I have a question.
Just don't know.
Have you ever played Perfect Dark?
Put it in your pocket.
Which one exactly?
64, like the first one.
It's like, damn it.
Oh, okay. Well, there's a level in there, Chicago, that reminds me so much of this world, like verbatim. It's crazy.
Now the drone is flying through you, and now it's flying through me. For me.
Okay.
For this world. Deus Ex, Human Revolution, and Cyberpunk 2077.
Oh. Yeah, I gotta show you it or something, because there's a level in Perfect Dark where it's just like this, and there's rain, and there's like a big drone like that you gotta fight. It's
Oh,
it's
there
really
comes
cool.
the drone.
Wow, if I manage to make it somewhat close to that level, then what are the chances?
I wonder how much energy a flying car like that is using just standing still.
A lot. They should turn their car off and stop wasting your... I was gonna say gas, but it's probably not gas in this time.
No, but it's probably not economical
That we know of.
I mean, for meetups I do.
Alright, I think I'm gonna put up the thanks for coming shader.
Wheels, how economical could that kind of car even be?
Who knows what the future technology is? Could be even better than normal gas vehicles.
Wait, you're in the little Discord thing, right?
Alright, I'm just gonna put that.
Thanks for coming.
The VRChat Meetup Discord place.
Thank you for being the host of this event.
And I can just send you all the
Nice.
stuff I'm talking about.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming.
Yeah, but no, this is
Did I
also
spell
one
it
of the coolest
wrong?
maps I've ever seen. I love it.
No.
I just...
No, I was just kinda like,
But also, I can't jump. Need to fix that.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Later, nerds.
Oh my god, super cola.
Okay, I should probably go too because I did not eat enough for food.
Hey, you should eat food.
I should eat food.
Tastes good.
I'm gonna get hungry.
It does taste good, maybe, if I get good food. But alright then. I'm gonna go get
Oh
food
look,
then.
there's someone is cleaning here.
Alrighty then. But bye. Oop, missed it. And that is the end of the community meetup. Thank you guys for watching, and see you again next week. Bye.